but fitment is decent, I could say. Hi, and welcome back. Feels pretty good outside tonight, so keeping the door open. So that means these guys will be in here. So sorry if I'm looking down, but I'm just watching my back because they like to crawl up it. Anyways, tonight I want to get back, mess with kick panel a little bit, and inner rocker. I think Greg mentioned that the panels may be level, but my frame may be twisted. So I'm leveling my panels up to a twisted frame, because I should have had a jig built that was level straight across on the ground, then started replacing sheet metal off it, so the frame. I think what I'm gonna do is just keep trudging ahead the way I'm doing, and hopefully my panels will all line up again. But if not, then I guess we're gonna continue this project and take it all back apart and try to do it the proper way of building off a level surface. I think tonight we're gonna move the kick panel up a little bit. Oh, it hit me in the side of the face. Move the kick panel up a little bit, or towards the back, and try to get the opening to match better. That's on the passenger side to the driver's side. We messed with that a little bit. I'm thinking about sanding all this primer on this side off, getting it down to clean metal, because that's just rattle can primer. And thinking about going ahead and buying some self-etching primer and spraying this part with it after I get sanded down, doing the same thing on the passenger side. Any place that's done, I'm thinking about going ahead and starting spraying. But anyways, that's the plan tonight. Maybe kind of a short video because I gotta get back in. I'm actually out here kind of early, but anyways, we'll give it a try and see what happens. If y'all have any ideas of how to get that, I think I might take this off tonight, this bracket, and just push it far over as I can. See if I can't bring this up behind this. I mean, that distance there would make up quite a bit here. So we might try that too. But I'm gonna try to get these door gaps the same from side to side. And then I'll probably start sanding this back down here. And then I'll probably get some self-etching primer tomorrow or the next day, and we'll start painting that. And want to get in here better. You can kind of see, need to get that down. Sprayed with some etching primer, and all this floor pan here. I may work on that. I like to see it all one color. If we go that far, I may even start sanding the dash down and getting it ready. But anyways, let's look at this for a little bit, mess with it, then we'll take the paint off that. And I've still got a little bit of time out here. I may start taking this back that way. Push the kick panel over, Got it up underneath it. Gap's pretty good right there. To make this level from side to side, as far as I can get, due to the bolt spec here hitting it. And it's pretty level, say this way. Yeah, if y'all have any ideas, like if that's what it's supposed to look like or look good, because it has a lot of excess kick panel through here. But my measurements, let me take those right quick. I got a pretty consistent measurement from door pillar to the back, top and bottom. Just don't know if that's exactly how it's supposed to look. A lot of excess at the bottom. So I need to pop this bottom one off and kind of realign it. I'm gonna do some work on this area. I'm gonna try to knock all that primer off. See, I got one trying to jump on me now. Anyways, try to knock all that down, and then we'll get some self-etching primer. Probably only prime up to here, due to the fact that we welding over here. Well, but another thing too, before I forget, when I pushed it in, clamped it, this side shot out quite a bit. I don't know, and it does look better through here, as in this isn't up as high. So hopefully they may have somewhat figure this out. I think I'm gonna get my passenger side one and go over there, try the same thing, loosen this bracket, and put it where I can put that one behind it. This one fits better. See, it's almost up there like the driver's side, but to me it bends that way more than it should. Should be more like that, I would think. And so I'll do that right there, I believe. But it seems to be okay-ish, maybe we can use it. Be nice if we could use it. A little bit bigger gap up there than the driver's side. And I think that's due to the fact that this has a little bit of sharper bend, so it draws it in more. I think I'm gonna rest my brain on that. We're gonna take all this primer off. Hopefully I can get it all off in this one go. So let's give it a shot. Well, we didn't make it all the way through it, but got a good portion of it done. Kind of glad I'm doing this because I can see some spots where the rust was underneath it. So hopefully that'll get all that. We won't have to worry about that in the future. I do have a small crack right there. Need to weld up. Might try to take care of that next time. I had to stop because my little grinder was blowing out water, so that's not good. I need to get a water trap for my compressor. But yeah, next time we'll finish this out, finish this top part, we weld that, grind it back down, and just paint about right here, and get some self-etching primer and give it a couple shots. That way I don't have to worry about this again. May straighten this out too down here. It's kind of curled in. Need to take that off, but we'll have this ready on this side. I don't know really how I'm gonna go about getting in there, but we're gonna do it. And we'll get that all primed and seam sealed. But yeah, it's kind of busy work. That, and I think we're getting closer with this. Just need y'all's guys' input on what you think, how it looks. This may be a doorless Bronco, who knows? But I think, let me try to fit that inner rocker in right quick and see what that does. That doesn't look too bad. Seems to be just a hair lower. Needs to go up a little bit more. But fitment is decent, I could say. I know not to go off these holes, but they all seem to line up fairly well. And it seems to be pretty level. So maybe we're getting closer. I think that'll do it for me this evening. Gotta head in and tuck kiddos in the bed, but doesn't look half bad. I think we're getting closer fitment wise on this. Still hesitant about starting tech screwing the kick panel in just yet. That door pillar I still have doubt about, but the outer rocker is looking okay. It needs to come up just a hair, I think. I need to get my fender from the barn, bring it in here, just kind of fit on there, and then maybe get my new doors, kind of place it on this side and kind of play around with it and see if I can get my gaps. Hopefully the door is not going to be, super wide at the back. That would be terrible. But we may do that next time. We're going to finish this out that we started, sand it all down, and spray some etching primer. Then we'll get the door from the back and the fender, and maybe tech screw the pillar in where I think it needs to be, which is probably right there. Tech screw it in, and that way we can put the door on it and see where it falls. Hopefully it's a good fit, and we can just tech screw the kick panel in, leave the door pillar where it is, tech screwed in, and start welding. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, it's what we kind of do. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Anyways, I guess I'll see you next time.